The police station.
Digita zonke iy'khala esizilethile sizofikela ekutheni ukuthi manje esihleli sisilungisa kanjani ukuya phambili nokusebenzisana nabo. So angibonga ukuba khona kuyo at least nizoba usekela in terms of i-language outside ukuthi these are the agreement that we reach nayo umholi walana. Umholi walana is prepared to work with us as a community and everybody that is here. So nifike kahle la ingakaqedwa le nkomo kathi ukuyidla ukuyihlenza I mean to say. Alright, let's allow them because
awungeke ngihlale la angiyena umhlonishwa nomfubhaqa ngicela ukwenza inboxing. Thank you very much to all the leaders that have make sure ukuthi namhlanje kuyahlangana futhi wesibili no station manager we-Hip Hop Station, ucommander wakhona, his presence to accept our complaints, and also not to accept, to respond to our complaints, because now we are in a decision status. We are no longer interested actually. We will be marching forever. And the sitting out is squeezing solutions. Even today, march was a demonstration. We are celebrating the prayer CSE being on the street is now giving result, and we admire you as a leader of the station here in April. Nabahlolisho bonke bakhona nikwazi ukuthi ithathe initiative and respond to support my brothers here that have just put a very important points in terms of laws and regulations that you are working under another oath as well, and you work with small things and that tiny things that delay things that you can see ukuthi lento wrong kodwa ungakwazi respond kuyona ngenxa yokuthi usafuna ukulandela umthetho. Thina siyakwazi ukugibela ebhilidini siwakhiphe ngqo ama-drugs nina singa without a warrant of search. You go and acquire the warrant of search, you give the criminal the opportunity to resolve the problem. We don't give an opportunity to a criminals to resolve the problem. We just enter and prove that there is a problem. So as my fellow brothers express, I support the idea that when you find drugs, expose them to the society and then destroy them, because simultaneously they will go back to the public, because you are also a head of a police station like Hebrew, but you are not only leading police officers, you are also leading criminals that are in a police uniform. That is the biggest challenge we have. So if my brothers here are proposing the idea to kill the market, and then the seller will have no option. They want to kill the market. When you take all these people that have been using drugs, that are surviving on drugs, and then you destroy the market, the seller will be frustrated. There will be no longer revenue, and as other countries, Ecuador and Mexico and everywhere in the world, there is no country that is zero. This is tax-free in the world right now. It proves that is the number one a criminal business. If they remain and succeed and be manufactured, it proves beyond reasonable doubt that it's very hard to sweep all that nonsense with what broom. So as we are standing here today, it may be a historical moment that the station commander and all the leaders of police station in Gauteng, especially here in Hebrew, if the Hebrew can change now, the whole South Africa will change. And I can promise you, my leader, if you can take a noble decision saying that can we all hold our hands together with Izinduna, with all the leaders of the society, and all together, weekly, we clean the Hebrew. In terms of tax cartels, in terms of tax activity on the ground, and in terms of rehabilitating those that have been using tax, you will see the change in the whole South Africa. As I said that I was in Claremont, where they've looted shops for foreign nationals. I've said I'm gonna sit here, and I want to see the change happening here in Claremont, so that when the people of Claremont take over spaza shops and containers, so it can exemplary to the whole South Africa that it can happen. Because when we keep on moving point to point, marching, it never will help us. No, we can't be stupid. We are not here to collapse economy. We are not here. We want the change, and the change must begin now.
Yeah.
We have demanded the attention. The purpose of marching is to demand the attention to you as our leaders. Now we got attention. What are we marching for?
Yeah.
Now we were waiting for the result and the implementation.
That's
Things must happen now. Yabonga.
No, Brigadier, maybe sometimes we need to understand the meeting. This thing went simultaneously.